Hey friends, who's hungry? Soft, buttery, homemade buttermilk biscuits are easier to make from scratch than you think. Let's make a batch. Start by preheating your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, combine 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1½ teaspoons of salt. Next, grate 3/4 of a cup of chilled unsalted butter using a box grater. Toss the butter into the flour mixture and gently stir until it's evenly distributed. Those little bits of cold butter are what give the biscuits their flaky layers. Pour in 1 cup of cold buttermilk and stir just until the dough comes together. If the dough feels dry, add a little more buttermilk until it starts pulling away from the sides of the bowl. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface, then gently knead it about 10 times. Don't overwork the dough here, that's the secret to tender biscuits. Powder roll the dough to about 1/2 inch thick. Then cut out 8 biscuits using a 2 to 2 1/4 inch round cutter. Place the biscuits on a greased baking sheet, or you can use a greased cast iron skillet like I'm doing here. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the tops are beautifully golden brown. Serve warm with butter, jam, or honey and enjoy every flaky bite. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.